I wanted an efficient way of creating a small set of wooden planks and then to be able to have each of them then be an object in its own right. Do Shift A, Mesh and Plane. Shrink the size of the X-axis here. Do an N, go into Item, and the X-axis will be the X measurement will be say 0.3 of a meter. Control A, rotation and scale to make sure scale is at a 1. Still in object mode, and with the plank highlighted, go to Add Modifier, Array. Let's say we want 4 planks, and tab down to here, and so that we can see the gap between them, we'll make that 1.03. And right now we see that we've got a modifier of an array under there, but I think the secret sauce that I was missing was I failed to apply the modifier. When I do that, then the array disappears from here, and still in object mode, if I go onto here, then they're all one thing, and the dimensions are for the full set of planks. So to get those separated, because I don't know, I might want to make that a blue and a green and a pink, etc. I have reasons for wanting them to be separate objects. So if I tab into edit mode now, I'll go into face select, I'll pick the kind of parent plank, then right click, separate by loose parts, watch the right hand side, the scene collection, and now we've got 4 separate objects. And to prove that they're separate, go into object mode, do a G on this, move it out of the way, G on that one, G on that one, G on that one. As you can see, the origins are all over the place, but that's fine, I can sort that out later. Done.